Raja. He's a cocky eagle. You know, you go near and far for body. I remember Diamond have your saliva upon the England hood. Remember Diamond have your saliva and your throat back on the England cocky. And you really come out, Raja, with the rest of your fingers. Count to 10 before you argue with King Donia.
Oh, so that means say Akim just a show him saying pick up him garbage. Yeah, man. Say, you know, say my rubbish bin. I say him walk and pick up people garbage, man. Yeah. I know nothing new that, man. I want garbage, you know, see him pick up garbage before throwing at the bin. He means a walking garbage pan, man. I want him to the man. A simple logic that, man. How about the blood clot, dude? A simple logics, man. Yeah, Hakim just show him that he is the rubbish bin and him collect trash. Yeah, we knows that. Him is the direct rubbish bin and him used to live in it. So you have to understand. That's common assault.
Raja, come here. Somebody.
Oh, man, Donia.
Yeah, come in here. Say you go off for Donia. Come here, Raja. Raja, come here. Even when it's hard. She celebrate you now, young baby. Cause when everybody turn them back on you, you're up only you. Celebrate you, yeah, my child. It's rough, but at one period you have to go through. Celebrate you. Raja, so cold. Raja, come here. Cause people forget say that's Shebada Matthews Lane. Come here, Raja. When you touch King Donia, back up, back up. Cause remember you walk and swing your body on the app. Raja, don't come back King Donia, cause remember your body want a charger. Always remember your little tun behind you. Need a charger. Remember? Remember that. Remember when it was your birthday or the boy buy your reed for your bots? If Raja no come back King Donia. Leave King Donia cause your bottom plug out long time. Raja, remember being you want a charger. Hey Raja. Don't come back King Donia. Leave him alone when you see me walk far. Cause when you can't get the man them from the app, you know, you take a bat and get shy. Don't come about him. Leave King Donia alone. You ain't in a position to talk about no man. Go collect your bike them. Cause the rider they migrate. Me no want to cuss in my sister cause when all this still and done blood thicker than what? Yeah, Raja, come in. When you see King Donia, you leave him alone. You hear? Him and a batty busser. You hear, Raja? You're my sister. Him and a batty busser. So you see park your bottom somewhere else. Never park it in the parking spot here. You hear? Come off a King Donia. You look at eye. Move your nasty wash out looking bottom self from here. So remember say I pay footprint in your bottom in a Raja. Yeah, my sister, I don't want to tell you the truth, I come and play hypocrite, you know. But you know you draw me out. Why not take it from somebody else? Why you really and truly not take it from somebody? You know you the argument between Shay and Jaden, you have to say. Liverpool baby. How would them people have no move no man? Yeah? When you respond this, so stay upon this man. Stay upon this and come back King Donia. But King Donia a madman. Mad like your bottom. Some things where you take in your you see some things where you take in your post spot. Try to my friend that interrupt me. Yeah. I can't even reason with my sister. Yeah. You know Talita your best friend. I Talita your pen pal in a Raja. How you do I don't know. Remember you're underway them full of shit streak. And of course me a cousin a sister. But you see like how you throat deeper so your bottom all remind me of Jacob's well. Remember bucket dropping a yarn and know it and land. I could talk about that not history, you know. Yeah, takes it from King Donia. And you know the things that when you buy bike not really stable, then depend on the spectrum. Remember when the bike park on the veranda, you can't even go lift it up. And look how you have bat up on the app. And look for your pension behind grill a ninja man. Me just wonder if a ninja man look for your pension behind grill and you come about King Donia. Do not come about King Donia when you see me step aside. No. You know. Roger say you want Jaden, that's why you take up fame. Roger supposed to say so, but I want Jaden, I'm not have to want him. Come and have Jaden, ask Jaden if me and him not there. Oh, Fabi is just a show. Fabi is just a show. That is why she's slow. Yeah.
Too big so.
Roger, you have to go braid your bottom for the summer. Your bottom loose. Your bottom one tight. You have to go braid your bottom. So till we see all ear bump. You have to go tighten she. Me not ask you, Roger. You come about King Donia. Leave King Donia alone. Me tell you, listen, come about King Donia. King Donia now speak your language. What language you speak? Eh? King Donia understand what you have to leave him alone. Leave him alone. Right, you want tighten man. Behind you loose. Behind you loose like a jubilee. Like a jubilee I keep behind you. Behind you loose, Roger. Now come about him. You like no for your little fish yourself and you know you smell raw when you stand up beside bad man. You know you smell raw. Me you know for stand up beside them people unless the light off. And you know you go. You know? You watch your pension behind the grill and you can't go screw it out. You can't even go lift up the bike. Eh? Your man we're gonna foreign. Can he ride the local things overseas? Just asking. Can he ride the local things overseas? Roger tired for come back. You little pum pum and scratch you. Sorry. Take out little out of Roger sentence. You bigger bitter scratch you. The puddle where they behind you. It'll work by your nerve. Though I didn't want to talk this since night, you know. Eh? I didn't want to talk since night. Cause remember you pay extension for khaki, you know. Remember you pay extension for body. I buy you buy khaki. He's a khaki eagle, you know, Roger. He's a khaki eagle. You know. You go near and far for body. I remember Diamond have your saliva upon the England old. Remember Diamond have your saliva and your throat back on the England khaki. And you really come out, Roger. With the rest of your fingers. Count to 10 before you argue with King Donia. Count to 10. Not 9.5. You owe the order. You cheating the exam. Count to 10 before you argue with nobody, Roger. You're incomplete, no blow. You're incomplete and a guani. You're guani like you're a portion of happenings. And you know you're incomplete. You know you're not your fraction not equal, it's not balance. Remember you climb tree like lizard in a sniff tea. Now we are talking. I argue with you because you miss. Now drink some more NSC. You NSC done?
You have money in the house?
Yeah, you see boy wrap up underneath the sheet. It's supposed to drip now like Jerry curl. Come here, I'm not talking about off the NC. A mosquito are supposed to sing that I buy to him.
And you own AC?
Roger, me and you are going to show it. Yeah, come back King Donia. Roger, move your dead bottom. The last boy you grind give a reed. It's a reed you get. Move from here so your body dead. A dead body you walk with.
So you post Roger so now?
Come in like when them come back King Donia. I like when them come back King Donia. Anything Roger can get him cuffs. You know Roger stay. Coffee a pum pum make out a courage in it ever scratch her. I I like customer system. The plate
Sister
out.
Winsome, 25 na in here.
25 in here. Everybody know,
Sister
man.
Winsome.
Are you alone?
No, you hear me, I tell
the
you,
boy
Sister Winsome, who you
tall,
believe?
25
Sister Winsome,
tall.
him have to hate me because I don't know him, Sister Winsome.
You're not gonna know him because him don't know you. Remember say him say him don't like people and
I
him don't want a friend and that hurt you. And that hurt you.
I don't want a friend from him. I'm not going to sleep out the bed.
You're not gonna this my man.
Him
Me
not
not gonna
sleep out the bed.
Me not eat that girl. Me not gonna slung you.
Remember your money,
Me
baby.
stand up 10 to a film like Queenie. Oh, you're not gonna this my man. A 10 to 10 to we are stand up for people. Yeah.
10 to a whole part two, you know.
Me not care. Roger have 9.5. Yeah, Roger na moving on.
I love
Dead
Kitty.
bottom.
You love Kitty.
Oh, Roger know him want worm out. Oh, body history na Roger bottom. Body history. You want clear. Now come about King Donia. Rest it right there so. Rest it right there so because you're hypocrite. Rosalie help you eat after you ban the girl from town. But Rosalie have a gift. You have the gift of hospitality. You work for your ticket for go back at town, Rosalie. I remember when Roger ban you from town and look how you give Roger to the card cleaner. All you know easy. Sometimes I can't bother with it. That's why I'm glad she and Jaden dip on the app with them nastiness. You know, so it distract me from all owner. Roger, you're hypocrite, you know. Roger, more and conking head with something you see, but I can't find it. Roger, remember when my cousin used to take your mother, man? I can't stop talking about that. Oh, I can't stop talking about that, my love. But tell me that I'm come out for Jaden.
Why me know you look? Jaden are the star, the king. I don't like Fabi though. Fabi not understand. Fabi slow.
The people them come out for
But not tell Jaden are my man. I mean like Fabi and Jaden are my man. Me a different my man.
The people them come out.
Me a different my man. All when my draws go 50 million times. Me a different my man.
The people them come out
Your
for
man, the girl,
Jaden,
you know
man.
the sense.
The people them come out for Jaden. You don't think I'm
Girl,
memorial.
I move you slow.
Yeah,
Slow like that.
Auntie Boss said Fabi face sad like her old.
You know see Fabi a baby brains.
Then
Fabi not done make up yet.
no,
you
but
know.
of course Fabi because Jaden love Fabi.
Me a cuss her for Jaden.
No.
She don't say she's slow.
No, Jaden love Fabi and it always hurt him when people talk badly about
Him
her.
don't know me.
No cuss Fabi.
Nah, cuss her man. But if you have sense.
I just shoot Jaden, nobody cuss
No,
her.
me nah cuss her. She have sense.
So what about Jaden's wife? Hey girl, move your
Move your
nasty.
head, girl. Move your so cool.
Move your big, your old
No,
big and
no,
a clap
wife.
like convention.
You know, you're the man say a photo
Hey girl, you know see me
shoot.
pan yaso.
Yeah.
You know see me pan yaso.
You're
You talk
right.
about what about Jaden's
You know, your
wife?
Jaden say a
Hey
photo
girl, me
shoot.
juke in your face with something. You should have asked me that in front of my face so you see the next side of me.
Hey, girl,
Eh? You're
You're
big and
bright,
bright, like go wash out your underneath. Oh, you don't have no belly bottom.
you're the man say a photo shoot.
Go lick your hole and go come back cocoa
A
fat.
music video.
And music, then Jaden are going to music, then we could have put him in a music now. After him not lookable. Yeah, back to the matter at hand. Hey girl, no you say. Oh, Auntie Easy, I'm sorry, she apologized. Alright girl, you get well. You get well. She have manners, man.
Yeah,
she go good. I forgot to put my
Auntie
man.
do, we love
Me go look at him dip on the
Say we
phone.
get up, sir. Go look on body.
Me forgot to look at him dip on the phone and give him a bone.
Sir.
Yeah.
You might the phone under the pillar.
And then what?
Search the pillar when you go back.
I'm
in
pillar
there
case
again.
them want washing it to tell evidence on him face. It's true, them want wash. It's nice when a man can lay down with you in a
In a
dirt.
dirty bed?
In a dirt.
Dirt?
That's love.
True.
Yeah, me not ask you. If them did have this pan the happy to the gone
That
far.
gone far,
And Raja
true.
want Raja move your cripple back. Your bottom want a wheelchair. Your bottom want a wheelchair, dirty Raja. Raja leave King Donia. If you know a good fear, leave King Donia because you keep on care. You go like a rent out when somebody beg you overlook it. You understand me? I want them take you out of the yard with the bathroom outside, everything outside. If they you take you inside, pneumonia go kill you. Pneumonia will kill you. Because remember night you used to wake you up and greet you. So stop it. Leave King Donia alone. What King Donia do you? Cloth and leather. What King Donia do you? Yeah, my sister, I know why you think say me I disrespect you, but me I reason with you. You notice me not shout? Yeah. You notice I'm not shouting. I'm keeping very quiet. I'm in my church. Yeah.
Very true. And you have convention to go.
I may have convention. Lord, me have the conference to go. Then what away, Sister Daniela, them give her a break. Sister Daniela, I'm glad them give her a break, you see. But I have my white outfit and me I soak some. Me I soak some. Come on, change off for the function. I'm muggle for everybody. Yeah. Where's Christian people in ram for chat people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you heal of your eye, so.
I'm a eel eye.
Yeah.
Come here, we want to go heal them. You that thing Paul in any session.
And you need a bust down.
I'm a bust down, what?
But-
I'm a fingernail them. If a penny drop from me, somebody gotta pick it up. Come in now.
And your handbag of a decent.
My handbag noise. Cause me not carry nothing under my arm. Cause sometimes my arm sweat.
Judge the dress.
In my arm.
Judge the dress.
In my arm me I carry it and the dress I go noise for me cause it fall.
Yeah.
The dress fall. I don't know why I can't buy clothes to fit myself. Cause you don't know say Spice invite the whole internet. All Jaden come share fly down for go. At them two they have to go repent. Them two they have to go put on serious repenting. Yeah. Then my eye every man. My eye come from gym.
From jail.
Gym. My man there gym. The bed is already made. Go suck your mama. My mother is a black Amelie. My sister girl in one nursing home, she in one rehab.
Is it bed already made?
Yeah, black Amelie.
Is she the kid?
It look like a clit attack. Cause that big like a spread. Yeah. So people who can chat tonight other than Raja and King Donia, I'm supposed to get the message tonight. Oh, cause Sean want a dog and him buy the boy bike. And it's just a roof of the girl that look. Yeah. Other than Raja, Donia and Akim are mate. Them are mate, then who want Akim? Let me choose who want Akim. Once the girl will come out with Akim, then she not afraid of her neck. Oh. She not afraid of her neck. Then Donia and Akim are mate, that not real. Then Rosalie feel about all of this. Then Rosalie supposed to swing and laugh in all of the argument we go on happy. Rosalie supposed to eat popcorn mentally because she not have no microwave. She can't pop nothing.